Hello and welcome. This is our Workspace and Panels class. Real quick, this is After Effects already open. And in After Effects, you see, of course, there's areas for menus up at the upper left-hand corner. Then below that, we actually have a number of icons that you can click on. If they're grayed out, it means that they're not functionally available while you're in the specifically selected window. Right here, we have the project window, where you're going to have all your content. It's going to be like compositions and layers and footage. Next to that is effects, which we can have effects on specific layers. All that will take place within your timeline, which is down here. Of course, we don't have any composition right now, but your composition down here will actually have layers. And on the layers, you click those and you put effects on them. You can assign and send compositions to render queue to export. So you'll export in your export window. And then up here is where you'll visualize stuff. So basically your view. For instance, like if I hit new composition, just hit OK, you'll have your viewport set up there. We have over on the right hand side a bunch of panels that offer you all sorts of different functions within After Effects, such as like you want to create effects, shrink this stuff down for you. And then also, if you go upper section here, you'll have menus for like what you want to see, or for instance, like the default layer is there set already. But if I want to do all panels, I can have all panels set up, and it will set up an all panels section. If I don't like what I'm seeing here, let's say I've changed something over time. There we go. We're going to reset it to my saved layout. And then we can also go in here and we can edit the workspaces or load other types of panel setups. So for instance, like motion tracking, sets up that one. Or if I want to go over here and go to animation. So each panel setup is its own custom setup. If you want to move things around, let's start off by starting with all panels. I'll do all panels. Let's say I wanted to move my effects panel and I wanted to have it like right here for some reason. I don't know why. I could. And then I could move my render queue and put it, let's say, right above or right below. Let's do it right below my timeline. And now I have my own custom panel set up, my own layout. If I wanted to, I could save changes to this workspace or save as a new workspace. I'm not going to do any of that because I don't really need that. But if you mess up, and you want to get that back to what it was, you can reset all panels to save layout. There we go. Let's say I deleted one of these, like the effects control, and I can't find the effects control. I can actually go to Windows and then scroll down. I can find the effects controls right here and then select it, and now it showed back up. All right. That should do it for explanation of Workspace and Panels. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next class.